Hey, in front of me is CUBOT Note 9 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then download this app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to select in the pop-ups while using the app and allow. So while using the app, allow. Now swipe up, click on Home button and tap on iOS Launcher. Then you need to select Always Here and tap on Got It. As you can see, after that, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my CUBOT smartphone. But you can always switch between those layouts by going into Devices Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications, tapping on Advanced and clicking on Default Apps. Now click on Home app and choose Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!